All right, for you people with the Dji Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal, I went to Home Depot, got a screw that fits in there, and then I got a matching thread. If you notice, I got the blue tape here. And then we went and we got another one with the matching threads. If you notice, I scuffed that up. I scuffed this up. A little bit of crazy glue. A little more. We got the Phillips head. We want to fill that too. And then gently I got it on my fingers. Oops. Try to center it. It looks good. And there you go. I can now put this on the bottom of the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal. Put my mic. Don't think you would be able to use this. I'll have to replace this. This is if you're going to put it on top of a flash and use it like that. But here we're going to mount it to the bottom of the gimbal. And wait, hold on. And the one with the battery, I was thinking about it. Probably just going to tape it when I use this. We'll just tape it up the sides. And then just pull it off when we have to swap out the battery. My gimbal broke, I got to replace it. But once I found out that this had the screw on the bottom, you take it, screw it on. Damn, extra 3 feet up in the sky, so if I go to a concert, I'm right over the top of everybody. Cool.